You can add keywords, your storefront reference, and you can showcase 5-star reviews on your listing page before A+ content. Yes, there is a way to increase your average order value, your listing ranking, and your brand value. And guess what? This is 100% free. Well, that is what a brand story module can do for you. This is a new feature of enhanced brand content. Here you can add up to 18 different cards on the same background image. We can add different type of cards like single image card, multiple image card, FAQ cards, and text cards. This module will show above the basic A+ content. For creating brand story, we have to click on A+ content manager and then click start creating A+ content. And here is the option brand story. We can add any name. And we can start adding images. For the first background image, we can add any image according to this dimension. Let me show you. This is the main image. It will remain the same for all the cards. And for here, we have to add the same image with this size because this is for mobile view. And this size is exactly same, which is for these cards. So you have to focus on designing images. After uploading these images, you can add high search volume keywords here and here. You can copy these keywords and you can paste them here, or you can add more keywords here. You can add 100 characters here. After adding this, you can click on add module, and here you can select any of the module and you can working on it. If you want to add just one picture of the product or any infographic of the product, you can select this picture. Let me show you. This picture will look like this. In the same way, if you want to use this kind of card, it will look like this. You can showcase 4 of your items, or you can showcase 4 of your ASINs in this card. And this is the card for the description or for the text. You can add about us, or you can add about the product or about the uses of the products. You can add anything in this card. It will look like this. Like this card. And the last one is FAQ cards. Here you can add question and answers, and it will look like this card. So this is so simple. You can easily do that. If you have any question, please feel free to ask. Thank you.